Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome you all. Today we will discuss product rule of differentiation. d by dx of uv equals to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This rule is called product rule of differentiation. U and v are two functions. Let us suppose that u is the first function and v is the second function. Then derivative of u and v is first as it is into derivative of second plus second as it is into derivative of first. Let us try to solve this question. Y equals to x square plus 2 into x plus 3. Y is a function of x, but y is the product of two functions, x square plus 2 and x plus 3. Suppose this is our first function and this is our second function. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, dy by dx equals to, keep first as it is, x square plus 2 as it is, into d by dx of x plus 3 plus of the formula, then keep x plus 3 as it is, x plus 3 into d by dx of x square plus 2. We have x square plus 2 as it is, d by dx of x plus 3, differentiation of x is 1 into 1, differentiation of 3 is 0, differentiation of constant is 0, plus x plus 3 as it is, differentiation of x square is 2x into 2x, plus differentiation of 2 is 0, differentiation of constant is 0. So our answer is x square plus 2 into 1 plus x into 2x, it comes out to be 2x square plus 3 into 2x, it is 6x. X square plus 2x square, this is equal to 3x square plus 6x plus 2. So the answer of this question is 3x square plus 6x plus 2. Now let us try to solve the same question, that is y is equal to x square plus 2 into x plus 3 by alternative method. In this method, we will first simplify this. Y is equal to x square into x cube, x square plus 3, x square into 3, 3x square, 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into 3, 6. So now we will differentiate it by differentiating both sides with respect to x. Now we will use this formula, d by dx of x raised power n equals to n into x raised power n minus 1. We will get dy by dx equals to 3 into x square plus 2 into 3, 6x plus 2. So the answer is same. Here we have used the formula x raised power n equals to n into x raised power n minus 1. So that d by dx of x cube equals to, here n equals to 3 x raised power n minus 1, 3 minus 1. This is equal to 3 into x square and so on. Now let us try to solve this question, y is equal to sin x into cos x by product rule of differentiation. Here y is the product of two functions, sin x and cos x. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will get dy by dx equals to, keep first as it is, sin x as it is, into derivative of second, d by dx of cos x, plus keep cos x as it is into d by dx of sin x. Sin x into, we know derivative of cos x is minus sin x, plus cos x as it is, we know derivative of sin x is cos x. So we will get sin x into sin x, sin square x minus plus minus minus plus cos square x. Our answer is cos square x minus sin square x. Hence dy by dx equals to cos square x minus sin square x. हमने देखा if y is equal to sin x cos x, then its derivative is cos square x minus sin square x. अब एक मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन करेंगे. The derivative of sin x into cos x is cos square x minus sin square x. Twice cos square x minus 1, 1 minus twice sin square x, cos 2x, all of these. Pause the video and write the answer in comment section. But the correct option is E. अब देखो इसको कैसे. अभी हमने देखा ये इसके बराबर है. अब अगर हम sin स्क्वायर x को रिप्लेस करेंगे cos स्क्वायर x से, we know sin स्क्वायर x plus cos स्क्वायर x equals to 1. और यहाँ से मुझे मिलेगा, अगर मैं sin स्क्वायर x को रिप्लेस करूंगा, यहाँ से मुझे मिलेगा sin स्क्वायर x इक्वल टू 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर x. तो यहाँ मुझे मिलेगा cos स्क्वायर x माइनस sin स्क्वायर को हम रिप्लेस करेंगे 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर x, और ये बराबर आएगा cos स्क्वायर x माइनस 1 प्लस cos स्क्वायर x. इट विल कम आउट cos स्क्वायर x प्लस cos स्क्वायर x ट्वाइस cos स्क्वायर x माइनस 1. तो ये भी करेक्ट है और ये भी करेक्ट है. अब हम cos स्क्वायर को रिप्लेस करेंगे sin स्क्वायर से, तो यहां मैं लिखूंगा cos स्क्वायर x माइनस sin स्क्वायर x. अब हम cos स्क्वायर को रिप्लेस करेंगे sin स्क्वायर, यानी cos स्क्वायर x के बदले में लिखूंगा 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर x माइनस sin स्क्वायर x. दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस sin स्क्वायर x माइनस sin स्क्वायर x. This is equal to 1 minus sin square x twice sin square x, and this is also the correct option. Last पर इसको देखेंगे cos 2x. Cos 2x equals to cos of x plus x, और यहाँ पर हम ये फार्मूला यूज करेंगे cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b शाबाश माइनस sin a sin b. तो यहाँ a के बदले भी x, b के बदले भी x. cos a cos x cos b cos x minus sin a sin x sin b sin x. This is cos x into cos x, cos square x minus sin square x. इसलिए ये जो cos स्क्वायर x माइनस sin स्क्वायर x, इसको जब हम सिंपलीफाई करेंगे तो ये भी cos 2x के बराबर आता है. Hence, if y is equal to sin x cos x, its derivative can be written in this form or this form or this form or this form. Hence, the correct option of our question is all of these. All of these are correct. Thank you for watching.